Hi guys, we're here today and be playing Angry Birds. This is a new game for my channel. So let's see if we like it. So I think we go in the Mighty League. There we go. Let's do some. Looks like you need some help. Try the Mighty Scope for the next 10 minutes. No thanks. Okay, we're gonna have to do it. Okay. Wow. So, I can't see a thing. I'm just gonna go. So that was a big fail. Sorry guys, I'm not good at Angry Birds, apparently. Except then. Now I'm a bit gooder. Well, I mean a bit better. He might die? Yes. So that took a few... That wasn't as good as the first time I did it. This is the second level of the game. Just to tell you. It's a bit different to how it used to be. So pop the pigs before the item runs out for our time bonus. Let's see how we go. Can you go back? Thanks. I think he's called Red, the one I'm using now. I bet you guys, if you guys are watching, you know a lot about Angry Birds. And you're thinking, of course he's Red, that's the main bird. But I don't know a lot about Angry Birds. So I might not be very good at this, and I think I'm just about to lose. Unless... Yes, I think I've lost. Like the third level of the game, I've lost. Oh. So, I'm really bad at this. So apparently I won. Too slow. No. I'm quite confused. So now Class League. So here are a few tickets. Oh, so I think we need tickets to do the level now. I'm not really liking this. So I've got Bomb and Chuck now. So I think some of these birds, you tap on them when they're in the air and then they blow up or something. Like that. Oopsie, I did it wrong time. So I'm really bad at this. I bet I'm gonna lose. That was a bit better that time. These ones down here are quite protected. So I lost. Sorry, I'm really bad. So, I'm going to do it again until I've done it. The Mighty Bundle. So I can't do it. I'm really confused by this. So now the blues, I think you tap on them and then they turn into 3. Okay, red doesn't do anything, I just tried, but he does nothing, so let's do the blues. And I did absolutely nothing. And I'm going to do something with Chuck, my boy. Chuck done a bit, more than I expected actually. They're all getting really hurt, except them ones down there and that. So this should get them now. And it doesn't. Okay, them guys survived, but yeah, I still did it. So I've got Terrence and Hal. I'm really bad at Hal. Terrence doesn't do anything except he's quite big. That's his ability, being big. And he's like, he is quite a powerful one actually. Right, I've nearly got them. Terrence, I'm really bad with Hal. Trust me. Oh, I did it all wrong. Yay! Well, I still did. I don't quite understand how. Should have really watched the tutorial. So we're gonna end it here, guys. Hope you enjoyed Angry Birds. I didn't really. And we'll see you guys next time. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you guys later. Bye.